Okay, this is a follow-up to the last question. Maybe not, just a video on its own. So when you're tightening up the right sprocket, this one will also turn. So how do you stop the opposite side from turning when you're tightening down one side? I mean, are they connected together with some tool across here? And again, this has nothing for any tool to hold on to. There aren't any holes in there. Do I have to disconnect this from here, then tighten this one? That doesn't make any sense. I'm confused. So tightening up these two bolts is taking longer than this whole job took of putting the chain in and taking the cover off and taking all the steering pump and everything else off. Believe it or not.